at Africa Oil Week
in Cape Town, South Africa.
And we've been joined by our clients as well as our colleagues from Global, Francophone, Lusophone and Africa.
We as Deloitte are launching our Africa Energy Outlook report, which really looks into various African countries and how their energy landscape is looking, what to expect in the future, and really how we transition towards renewables as a continent.
So our objective at the beginning was to say, okay, let's create a report where anyone can go and can get information related to energy in general, not specific to oil and gas, but energy for Africa.
We piloted it with 6 countries: Morocco, Côte d'Ivoire, Nigeria, Angola, South Africa, and Mozambique.
For me, the key takeout was the massive potential that Africa has.
The report highlights the high potential for renewable energy on the continent. We have vast resources of fossil fuels, and we have a large potential for renewables. The developed world is moving towards a more sustainable, greener type of energy.
Everybody's talking about renewables. We need a transition. But first in Africa, we need to think about access to energy.
The decarbonization journey is going to be difficult, but full of opportunities because they have to have social, economic, and industrial development all at the same time, which access is very prominent here versus some other areas.
What I do see in particular this year is an appreciation that renewables doesn't happen overnight with a flick of a switch.
It's not like a swap from fossil fuels to renewable fuels. It's a process, an evolutive process.
This is going to be an evolution and not a revolution. To leapfrog Africa out of energy poverty to energy sufficiency.
Based on our report and based on our roles as Deloitte, we are engaging with our clients to identify opportunities and, moreover, bridges of cooperation between the more fossil fuels and more renewable fuels.
It's also evident in the report that Africa should not be left behind a second time.
It's been really amazing to see everybody come together from different parts of Africa.
The crowd is energetic, the topics are so relevant.
Watching and observing what the developed countries are doing, I think we do definitely have the skills to get there.
To see those things being discussed at such a big forum gives us the sense of accountability that we are kind of at least on the right path when it comes to assessing the whole geography and then presenting our point of view.
And I can't wait for us to continue this work and continue this momentum and get it up to the whole continent.